Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. We're going to head inside here and take a look at our 2-bedroom villa at Westgate Vacation Villas here in Kissimmee, Florida. Not all that far from Walt Disney World. If you have a trip planned here in the near future, maybe you're considering staying in one of these. I believe they call this a 2-bedroom deluxe. Doesn't lock off, just kind of your standard 2-bedroom villa. Well, let's head inside and check it out. Okay, so we're just coming inside the door for the first time in our 2-bedroom villa here at Westgate Vacation Villas in Orlando, Florida. Actually, I guess you'd actually say it's in Kissimmee. But coming in here, first thing here on the left-hand side, we have a little bit of a shelf here. And in fact, there's actually some plugs up there, so that might be a handy place to put things to charge, maybe your phone. For me, some cameras and other electronic devices. But now let's come in and take a look at the kitchen. I'm really quite impressed with this unit. Wasn't really sure what to expect, but hey, this is really nice. They do have a dishwasher here. They gave us some dish towels. You have your telephone. You have a sink here, nice big deep sink. This looks like it's actually been freshly renovated. I'm not too sure how long ago that was, but yeah, really nice kitchen here. You have a microwave oven, stovetop range oven. You do also have your coffee maker. Over here is a blender and a toaster. Let's actually take a look up here in some of these cabinets where you'll probably find, yep, we have glassware here for 8 people. And I also noticed these cupboards are kind of those soft, slow close kind. And over here, well, this is where you're gonna find dinnerware for 8 people as well. So really great, they provide for 8. Then over here, well, looks like we have kind of a serving bowl, we have a measuring cup, and there's a little kind of baking dish up here. Yeah, so far so good. Nothing up above the microwave. Let's take a look at down below here in these cabinets. Well, here you're gonna have some kitchen supplies. There's an extra roll of paper towels down there. So it's actually kitchen, and you do have some laundry detergent down there too. In this drawer, well, this drawer is empty. That is empty. This drawer is where we're gonna find some cooking utensils as well as our cutlery or silverware. And then down under here, well, we have some pots and pans. Let's take a look at this. You can usually tell how recently something was kind of renovated or when these were replaced by how good a condition these are in. Not too bad. Or Cuisinart. See if we have anything under the stove. There's nothing there. And kind of the bread warmer, but most people just use it for storage. And then here, well, we have a set of knives. Looks like steak knives, cutting knives. We do also have a cutting board, scissors, can opener, as well as a corkscrew and a vegetable peeler. So yeah, let's see what we got above the refrigerator, and then we'll take a quick look in the fridge. Well, there's nothing up here above the refrigerator. Let's see, how do we get this open here? Here we go. So this here is our freezer with an ice maker. Looks like it might be turned off. Let's turn that on. Get it making some ice. And then the refrigerator here. So yeah, really nice refrigerator. It is kind of in here a little bit tight. Down this hallway, well, not really a hallway, but you know, you have your counter over here. You have your laundry here, which definitely good to have. No door on that, so might get a little noisy, but definitely nice to have laundry in the unit. But yeah, now we've seen there. Let's go in here. We're gonna take a look at the living room and dining room here in just a moment. First, we're gonna go in here and take a look at the guest bedroom. So 2-bedroom villa. You have 2 rooms here. This looks like it has maybe 2 queen or 2 double beds. Maybe they're just fulls, hard to tell. They only have them set up to sleep 1 on each bed though, I guess. But yeah, do have nice, pretty good size flat screen television over here. Kind of a little chest of drawers over here with what could be kind of a desk. That might actually come in handy. Do have a window out here. Does look to the outside. We don't have a breezeway right here, so that's actually a good thing. Yeah, you have a nightstand over here. And it does look like it has some exposed USB and power outlets. So electrical outlet, a couple of USB A's, and it looks like a USB-C there too. So this here goes to the guest bathroom, but I noticed that it's really close to the bed here. There's just maybe 8-10 inches there. So we're gonna go through here. There's actually a mirror on the wall there. But we're gonna walk in here and take a look at the guest bathroom. Let's first take a look in here. Just a small closet. You do have some hangers here. And then over on the other side, looks like, well, they have a blanket kind of just rolled up there. So yeah, just a small closet there. But here you actually have pretty good vanity. Granite countertops, bright lighted mirror, really good, nice faucet on it. Some storage down below. I'm sure it's where we're going to see a number of towels and washcloths. So yeah, really nice guest bathroom here. Do also have a tub with a shower here as well. So this is really nice so far. I'm actually quite impressed. We have some neat artwork on the wall. Looks like a photo of a sunken ship. So now let's head out here and we're going to take a look at the dining room. So here's our dining room. We do have kind of the breakfast bar area here. A couple of stools there up to the countertop into the kitchen. And then over here you do have a dining room table for 6 people. Great lighting in here. Some more artwork over there. Just a look back to the kitchen here so you can see it from this angle. Really, really nice in here in this villa. Then over here, well, we have kind of some more storage area here. I'm sure there's nothing really in this. Really just kind of place to put some stuff if you need to. I also see a closet here. Let's see what's in here. Well, I'm gonna find a broom and dustpan there, ironing board, and there's the iron up top. Now making our way in here a little bit further, we have the living room. You have a sofa, a couple of side tables. Those lamps look like they have some exposed power and USB as well. Coffee table there. This I'm sure does pull out into what's probably a queen size sleeper sofa. And then over here on the other wall, well, there is a television kind of just up above, small area. Well, not really for anything, I guess. You could store a couple things in it. That there does go out to the patio. We'll take a look at that here towards the end of the video. So now let's head in and take a look at the master bedroom. Something I'm noticing here, a bit of a disappointment. No ceiling fans anywhere throughout here. So good thing we brought a small fan with us. Helps to keep the air moving around. Yeah, king size bed here. Again, a couple of nightstands. Again, exposed USB and power. Then over here you have your television, top of chest of drawers. It's of course fastened to the wall. There's a small table over there. Window out to the outside, and it looks like they actually have an exit out to the patio from this master bedroom as well. And then in here is where we'll find the bathroom. It looks like it kind of just has this barn style door, which isn't overly ideal, but not too bad. Then in here we have a double vanity. Again, big bright lighted mirror. We definitely love the lighting in here. So yeah, more storage down below. Again, we're gonna find towels and all that kind of stuff. Across from that, well, there is a small closet. It's where you're gonna find the in-room safe. More hangers up here, and again, there's another kind of one of those blankets up there. I really don't see any extra pillows anywhere else in the villa, but this is actually really nice. It looks like they have brand new walk-in shower, glass surround. You have a few kind of shampoo and conditioner there on the wall. Kind of, well, not really a shower bench, just a place to maybe put your own shampoo or soap or whatever. And then actually it looks like there's 2 shower heads here when I get up to them. One on the wall over there, and then kind of a rain shower head right above. So this should be really cool. It's a nice walk-in shower here in this villa. And then over here, well, this is where you'll find water closet with the toilet, so you can close that off for some extra privacy. Now let's make our way back through the villa here. We're gonna head outside and take a look at the patio. Okay, so let's see how hard it is to get outside here. Sometimes these can be tricky, sometimes they're really easy. And oh, we have a pin up here that we need to remove. So there's a little pin that they stick in, because you can actually enter the patio from outside. So that's actually a good thing, a little bit extra security. It does look like it's a bit of an older patio door. They haven't replaced that anytime soon, but coming out here, well, you do have a screened in patio, and like I said, there is an entrance / exit to the outside, so you can go out through here, then walk along the grass and enjoy the lakes. And well, not much of a view here, but across the way here you do see kind of the Westgate Town Center. That's where we actually checked in just a moment ago. And out here you also have 4 chairs and a table, and there's also a lounge chair over there. So not a lot of room on this patio with all this furniture. And I do also see an electrical outlet over there on the wall. So handy to have that too. So great villa here. So far it looks pretty good. I'm quite impressed, I must say. And also, if you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. Helps get these videos out to more people looking to come here to Westgate Vacation Villas in Kissimmee. And if you want to see another video from here at Westgate Vacation Villas, well, when it's ready, or if it's ready, you'll find a link right here. You can click on that. It goes to a resort tour of Westgate Vacation Villas. So check that out. Coming up next. Thanks for watching. And remember, until next time, the best destination is always a timeshare.